I have the 3D wall panels here. These are 12, and this is how they look. And we are going to try and install them with those. The idea is to make 2 rows of 5. Now, each and every one of these measures approximately almost 20 inches. So if we extrapolate that, 20 per 5, it's 100. You will have this 1 row of 5. It should look like this. Now what I'm gonna do is measure my desk, extrapolate the 100 evenly, so we have 2 rows of 5 panels. So that's the idea. Now let's see what this will actually mean for our setup. It's just clean. We're just starting, so let me turn off the lights. So this is how it looks. And this is where the installation is going to be. Here and here. All right. The length, specifically 63. So these are the measurements. I'm gonna have to leave 17 inches on each side of the desk in order to properly center it. Now that we have measured everything properly and we have marked our corner where we're going to start, what we will do is make sure, first things first, the design. This is how it comes. So you might want to shuffle it like so. So having said that, we're going to target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. We're going to use these squares on 5 different points of each and every one of those panels. So let's open up this. Okay. We're going to try and place them in the corners and where they can take the most out of it. It's double-sided, so we're going to mount them here like so. So when they are ready, we're going just to peel it off and try to mount them into the wall. Once we mount it, we might want to put pressure on those 5 points gently. This is basically how we're going to mount it. Remember that you have to clean the surface where you're going to install them, so I might just do that now. Now that I have my corner in which I'm going to start, we're going just to peel off the second adhesive. So I went ahead and already made it easy for me, so that I just need to do this. And I believe we might want to go starting here. So I have my corner here. If you see, there's a bit of a space here, but I think it's good. These ones will hold pretty well. So let's keep installing those panels. Now let's turn off the lights and see how this looks. And now I'm happy to report that we have finished. This is how it looks. I'm really happy.